Bring the big man. Bring the big nigga. We got 10 cents. Bring your big back in. Put it with around my D and K Race Life, what's good with y'all? We back with another video. Before we get into it, make sure you take the time out right now to please like and subscribe and comment on this video. So today, I'm getting ready to go meet up with my cousin Deshaun, Drag Racing Inc. on Instagram. We're gonna get ready to go down to North versus South shootout for some grudge racing down at our home track, Galot Motorsports Park in Benson, North Carolina. So yeah, we about to go ahead. We're heading there now. My brother Keon unfortunately couldn't make it this weekend, but there's a but. The first weekend in November. Y'all already know what's going down. Mike Hill 50K 484 finale down at South Georgia Motorsports Park. Yes, yes, yes. That's where it is gonna be. But yeah, that's another story for another time. Right now, like I was saying, we're on the way to go meet up with my cousin Deshaun right now. And we're gonna get ready to head out to North versus South shootout down at Galot Motorsports Park. So you know what it is. I'll be there just like this. That was quicker than I expected to get here. But we out here with
Pootie Tang.
Man, we just got up with my cousin Deshaun. Got a little Fox body action. Little Fox body action.
She ain't been loved in a while.
You know. But yeah. We just pulled up. Probably about to crank up the Mustang, let it get some heat through the motor. Yeah.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
God almighty. We always doing something, man. Ain't nothing wrong with a little bit of a two-step check. Shoot. Sound like we had that going on 118 millimeter out here. I'm bugging, but listen though, we about to get ready to head on down to Galot Motorsports Park. What we gonna do out there?
Better go bet that money, make that change, baby.
You heard what he said. So I guess I'll see you everybody. We done made it to North versus South down at Galot Motorsports Park. I got some couple hitters out here. The DMV boys deep this year though. But yeah, we want to show y'all what's going on out here real quick. We finna go trackside, see what's going on, see a couple shakedowns, see how everybody doing. See what's going on, who's shaking, who ain't, who getting down the track. Y'all know how it go. Uh-oh. Lights is backfired. Too much on. Do it again. Let's see if we get it right this time. Clean little hit though right there after he backed up and got it right. They got the fire out. Repurged it and everything, got it running. Grudge race going on. Who you running the grudge race? Who you say you running with? Who you running with in the grudge race? Tony James. I'm going for North Carolina. It's North Carolina versus the DMV. So let's see what it is. North Carolina's in the club. There it is. North Carolina on the outside. DMV right here. We're outside. On the line. They knocked the tires off. He said, thank you. They set the tires. Come on, North Carolina. Come on, North Carolina. We weren't supposed to let the DMV win today. Well, we set the tires. It's all right. They'll get back. Yeah. We kept it right here outside. Went outside for this one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The wind done blew up. Country C. Country C done pulled up out here. See him out there. Why I still got these on? Oakley, man. Big shout out to Oakley. But DK World, phone died at the track. Couldn't finish out the footage, but we had fun. So that's going to be it for this video. We're going to wrap it up. Make sure you like, subscribe, and stay with us for that action.